Today we started officially our Veda Vidyalaya. All the priests have come. The classes have started. I gave them the introductory lessons. First thing I spoke to them was, be leader. It is time that we create leaders. Wealth, everything follows the leaders. Then I decided, I'll not only teach, I'll empower also. Now I am empowering all you guys. I am blessing all of you. For all of you, the Brahma Sutras will happen. I tell you. After all, it is my gift. I am telling you guys very clearly. It's I who has happened as Panini, who has happened as Badarayana, who has happened as Shankara, who has happened on the planet Earth again and again as the happening of Brahma Sutra, the happening of the energy. So this blessing is in my discretion. I am giving you guys. It doesn't come under any cosmic law. It comes under the discretionary power of an incarnation. So I bless you all. I am the incarnation for this very sutra, bliss, Ananda. So as my discretionary power, I bless you all. Let all of you, for all of you I give my blessings. You will experience intensely the cosmic bliss, the source bliss, what Vyasa Badarayana, Vyasa says as Anandamaya. Through the sutra, what he describes as bliss is source. That bliss, unadulterated, source bliss, let that become experience of your inner space. That will happen to all you guys. That is happening now to all you guys. And as always, the byproduct of bliss attracts fortune. Let you guys attract fortune from now. Nothing needs to be done. You guys don't need sadhana, don't worry. Understand? I do have a discretionary power. With that, I bless you guys. I'll prove this. I'll prove this. Understand? Whatever word I uttered now will become reality. It is becoming reality. Through this, I'll prove my discretionary power. All the devotees, understand, from now, your inner space will vibrate the truth from the sutra. Anandamayabhyasat. The truth which Badarayana, Vyasa wants to express through the sutra. The source is bliss. That will happen in you guys from now. And as the byproduct, side effect, you will attract fortune. All auspicious fortune. And I tell all you guys, all the devotees in your personal life and all the organizers, devotees who are working for our Sangha, both, you will have wealth. I'll shower. See, usually, masters function as per cosmic law There are some areas, gray area, they have the discretionary power. So this time, bliss and wealth is my discretionary power. In all other sutras, I just don't interfere. All right, let the cosmic law function. If I want, I can interfere, that is different. But this is a complete discretionary power. So with my discretionary power, I bless you all. It does not, when I say I can cross the cosmic law, means you don't need to have any other spiritual practice. You don't need to do any difficult things. Let all of you experience the truth, Anandamaya Abhyasat. Let all of you experience the source is bliss and you are source. Let the bliss source open up in you, happen in you. As the side effect, let the auspicious, fortunate things be attracted towards you, including wealth. We will attract wealth, create huge infrastructure to teach this science to the world. We will build world's tallest buildings just to teach this ideology. We will build huge structures and temples to teach these great truths. Just yesterday I was telling, after some time I want to spend all my time in one hand I want to put it in my hip and look up. In the other hand I want to support myself on the golden staff. Look up only the tall temple towers I am building. That is the way I am going to live, understand? Just putting the hand in one hip and supporting myself in another hand in the golden staff and looking up continuously. Oh, this temple tower, what? It's supposed to be 400 feet. Oh, 360 feet over. Okay, I think 40 more feet. It will take all right, maybe 3 months more. I'll go to city, town to town, village to village, just to stand and see the tallest temple towers I am building, to teach these great truths, to make people experience these great truths. Actually, only when I prove to the world through you guys, even you guys will have more confidence and courage to talk to everybody. Just for that, I'll shower you guys in your inner space with intense bliss, and outer space with all fortune and wealth. I wanted to tell all you guys this also. Now I tell you guys, you don't need to practice any spiritual practice. Forget about it. Nothing else is required. Understand, it's my discretionary power. I have discretionary power to give enlightenment and liberate people. With my discretionary power, I am liberating you guys, giving you the intense enlightenment and the experience of this great truth. Bliss is the source. You are bliss. I liberate you guys from all practice. You don't need to do anything. If you are feeling like, want, like entertainment, do anything. Otherwise, don't even bother. I have the discretionary power. When you trust the master, You are indebted to him for creating a space for the trust to happen. I wanted to prove this because forever in future, not a single fellow should even think in his wildest dream that master should be grateful for him trusting the master. I want to teach this lesson to the world. When you are feeling connected and trusting the master, it is adding to you, not to the master. And he is not dependent on your trust. He is only creating a beautiful space where the trust can happen. Once Sharada Devi goes to Buddha Gaya, sees the Buddhist monasteries and creates a sankalpa. How nice these Buddhist monks are having food and able to meditate. But my sannyasis are just begging from street to street and no place to put their head to rest. At those days, Ramakrishna Mission was in utter poverty. They were facing their crossroads. So many rumors about Vivekananda, lot of opposition from all quarters when Ramakrishna Mission was at crossroads. Sharada Devi makes a sankalpa. Let wealth shower on my kids. Let them have all the necessary things for the sadhana and spiritual unfoldment. That's all. That sankalpa over. Whole Ramakrishna Mission happened. I am clearly not just making sankalpa, commanding all the powers landed in this body, with this body, for this body, and too much has landed this time. Don't worry at all. We have enough for everybody and more. I order all these powers, open up. It's after all in my discretionary power. Let it start expressing the auspicious things. Bliss in your inner space, wealth and power in your outer space. Through this Kundalini effect, N effect, I clearly programmed inner bliss and outer wealth and power. All you guys are fortunate. Today you came and sat for satsang. Good. Good. You will attract now. You will attract. I bless you guys. Let you all have wealth and let us build only golden temples all over the world. We will build only golden temples. What is the use of gold if it is not going to be used for building temples? We will build golden temples all over the world and tell the world the power of the 12th sutra of Brahma Sutra. Just the power of this one sutra I wanted to show. Source is bliss. You are the source. You are bliss. Because you are bliss, you attract fortune. That's all. From now, wherever you guys put my photograph, wealth will shower. I am releasing a special energy, command. All right. I'll prove now whatever I said is going to come true. At least in few places from my photograph and Paduka, the golden coins will come out now. We'll see. By tomorrow we will get this news. Then all of you will understand whatever I said is going to become reality. And it is becoming reality. We'll prove. We'll get the news and photograph. Whatever coin comes out, you keep it for yourself. Just send the photograph, that's enough. It is a gift for your center and your ashram or you, for you. If it is from your house, it is for you. If it is from your center, it is for your center. If it's from your temple, it's for your temple. Just send the photograph, you will see it happens. After all, this is my discretionary power. See the gold shower, gold coin shower on that poor lady was the discretionary power of Adi Shankara. Same way, I do have some discretionary power. So I bless you guys. How one small Amlaki fruit given to Adi Shankara, she was showered. Golden shower, same way. For all you guys, a shower. That is why you see wherever the Shankara's establishments are there, wealth showers. Because he came down with the energy of wealth also. I have come down with energy of wealth.